Welcome to MunroMotors.com. Here we have a 2010 Chevrolet Corvette 3LT Grand Sport Convertible. This one has the 6-speed manual transmission and chrome wheels. It's painted black on black. Okay, we'll take a look here at the rear first. So underneath the trunk, you're gonna see it's got the dressed up trunk lid there. Looks like it's a carpet material with the Corvette flags embroidered. Inside the trunk, it's all lined. We have the divider for the convertible top. So I'll lift that there. You can see the convertible top is there. Put this back on now. I'm gonna make sure that's on good. Otherwise the top won't go back on. There we go. And then inside the trunk here, we got a compartment down here that you can put some items in. And then on this side as well, same size compartment. So that's nice there. We do have some trunk space here that you can still put items in. We got a cargo net here as well. Let's close the trunk lid there. We'll zoom out here so you can take a look at the interior. So all black. You can see the black seats. We have the chrome bumps there, and we'll come back here. Nice black paint. We have the rear spoiler, and then we have the circular taillights on the C6, and then down below you're going to see the dual exhaust with the quad tips. The Grand Sport also gets the wider body, so you can see it's got the wider stance, which just makes it look fabulous. Okay, we'll spin the car around, take a look at the wheels. So we got these beautiful chrome wheels on the Grand Sport model. It's a 5-spoke design. It looks great. It's got a nice deep dish. Goodyear tires on this car, and we have a 325/30 ZR19, so a very wide tire in the back. You can see the performance brakes are cross-drilled, and we have the silver calipers. Take a look at the front wheel here. So you can see the calipers. They also say Corvette on them as well. And then the tire size in the front is a 275/35 ZR18. Okay, we'll take a look at the interior now. So all black interior. You can see the door panel here. We got the power locks there. We got the Bose sound system. There it is there. And the power windows, electronic door release up there. Show you the dash over here. All black dash, nice and clean. The Corvette embossed script there. We got the owner's manual in there. Show you the door jambs, nice and tidy. Upgraded kick plate, stainless steel, looks great, nice and shiny. Looks great against this black. We got the Corvette carpet floor mats. And then we get your seats here, manual recline power seat. And then we have the black leather here, so you can see the condition here. Looks great, nice comfy seat. And then we have the Corvette flag embroidered in the headrest there. Here's your Corvette waterfall, classic Corvette design, with the Corvette symbol there as well. Okay, close that door, spin the car around. There's your rear spoiler, looks great on the C6. We'll walk down here, there's your seats with the top down. It has a black top as well, we'll see that on in a bit. Black side mirrors, they got functional ducts on the side here. And this car also has the black full side skirt. So it dresses up the car a little bit and it makes it look even lower and wider. You got the hash marks on the side done in red, and you can see the Corvette flag right there. Headlights look wonderful, nice and crisp. Looks great. And we got the front lip here. Let's feel down here. That all feels pretty good. And we'll take a look underneath the hood here. So look at the hood liner there, the Corvette flags, and then here we have the engine. So it's a 6.2 liter LS3 V8. Producing 430 horsepower. So being the Grand Sport model, you got the dry sump oil system. It also has the differential cooler. We have an upgraded Corsa air intake. So there's your filter down there. You can see it's got the carbon fiber weave. And this one is paired to a 6-speed manual transmission. Okay, coming back here. So on the Grand Sport model, you also get the vent up front there. And coming into the paint here, see the paint is nice and shiny, very crisp. I also want to point out this car has not been 5-stage polished yet. So once we do that, it'll look even better than it does right now. And it looks great right the way it does. Here is your wheel there. And the rear wheel there. Coming back into the door panel here. All black door panel. You got the memory seat package for the driver, power locks, power mirrors, electronic power windows, electronic door release, and the Bose sound system. Show you the dash over here. Has heads-up display as well. Door jambs look great. Again, that Corvette kick plate there, nice and shiny. You can use it as a mirror if you want. Coming down here, got the nice pedals there. Looks like that's been upgraded with a Corvette flag on there as well. Carpet floor mats. Here's your power seat. We'll scan the leather on this side here. So you can see it looks great. A little bit of wrinkles there, but the seat itself is in great condition, no rips or tears. Still very soft and plush. Now we'll sit in the seat itself. Then we'll start over here. So we got your heads-up display controls here, dash dimming lights. Here's your power convertible top button. Down here, fuel door release and trunk release. Here we have manual tilt wheel. Your headlight controls here, as well as your cruise control settings. We got Bluetooth here on this side, and then your stereo controls on this side. Windshield wipers here. Okay, we'll go ahead and start the vehicle. Push button start. And it fires right up and it sounds wonderful. All right, we'll zoom out here so you can see that wheel. It's an all black leather wheel. It's all round, 3-spoke design, Corvette flags in the center. Coming into the dash here, you can see analog cluster here. Mileage on the vehicle, 17,064 miles. I believe that equates to about somewhere around 27,000 kilometers. So very low kilometer, 2010 Corvette. Coming up here, we got the universal garage door built in, light sensor rearview mirror, compass built there. Here's your vents. Then we got your screen here. It's touch screen. So audio here. Has factory nav as well. Hit that there. So there's your nav. And then hit this button here. Screen comes down. We got a CD player here. DVD is for your navigation disc. Down here, dual zone climate control, all your climates. We have heated seats for both front seats. Ashtray here and a 12-volt socket there, or cigarette lighter, as they used to be referred to. And then we have a 6-speed manual transmission here. So a really cool design. Hard to come by. It's nice to see in a convertible as well. 2 cup holders here, that's hidden. And then we have your traction control button there. Here's your console lid, Corvette flags embroidered. Open that up on my hand in here. The C6 goes pretty deep here. 12-volt socket there. Close that manual e-brake handle there. I'll open the door up and we'll turn on the lights. And let's give it a couple revs. All right, better one here. Sounds wonderful. All right, let's hop out of the vehicle now. I'm gonna push this button here and watch this convertible top go up. It's all power. One clip we gotta do manually. Here we go. All functions nice, as you can see. Comes down. We'll hop back in the car. There's one handle. We just gotta pull here and lock it into place. We'll turn on up the windows. You see it's got window tint there. And we'll close the door now. Make our way to the front. There's your headlights again, nice and crisp. And look at this beautiful car. Spin this car around, you can see it's nice and shiny. All the reflections in it. Again, not polished yet. Take a look at the tail lights on this C6. Wonderful. Exhaust. That sounds great. Okay, so here we have it. This is a 2010 Chevrolet Corvette 3LT Grand Sport convertible, 6-speed manual with chrome wheels. This is here and available at MunroMotors.com. Come down and have a look at this one for yourself. We look forward to seeing you real soon.